I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you're new here, I am a mom of two. I make Mommy Monday videos. I do hair tutorials, and here and there I do videos on luxury goods. If that's something that interests you, definitely subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up button if you find this video interesting. And if you are already a subscriber, welcome back, and thank you so much for tuning in to this video. Go ahead and get to what you guys are here for. I recently, I've been doing a lot of shopping, but I've been selling a lot of things too, because I do an edit of my collection. And that's something I've been doing for a while now. If I find myself not wearing something for a few months, then I feel like, you know, Jessica, why is it just sitting here collecting dust? So I've been seeing this piece around, and I was like, oh my God, I think I need this piece. It's so beautiful. And then the color is something that I didn't have in my collection, so I feel like I would get a lot of wear out of it because it is needed. It's a neutral. But guys, I'm so excited that I got my hands on this piece. I did get it pre-loved. I got it off of Fashionphile, and I'll show you guys an unboxing of the piece when it arrived and how Fashionphile sent it over.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help had this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help had this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long.
I've been loving Fashionphile here. I've been selling a lot of things through them and using the store credit to buy other things like I did for this piece, or you can just get like, you know, your money back, but they give you a little bit more when you do a store credit, and so that's what I did. I had this in my cart for a while, and I'm so happy that it didn't sell. I was like, oh my God, please make my money available, you know, because you send your stuff in and you have to wait for them to just review it and make sure everything is okay. Then your money become available in the store credit. And so I was just so happy that this was still available because a few people had it in their cart too. You know how they do like this teaser? Oh, there are 20 people who have it in their cart. You need to hurry up and buy. And I was a little anxious about this. Sometimes like that doesn't get to me, but for this piece it did. I was just like, okay, hurry. I was like, should I just buy it and just get like my money back? I was like, no, Jessica. If it's meant to be, it will be, and it was. I'm so excited, guys. It didn't come with a dust bag. And so, you know, the orange sandals that I have in white, they come with 2 dust bags. And so I've been using one of the dust bags to put the piece in. So that was one of the things that was like a turn off, that it didn't come with the original dust bag. But, you know, honey, that's not like, that's just for like my own personal use. But this is it. This piece is just so beautiful to me. It is the Hermès Kelly Wallet. It is in the taupe color, in Epsom leather. I have it with the gold hardware, which is so beautiful. I've been doing a lot of silver here and there. In fact, I don't even have my watch on. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. I realized I didn't have on my watch. I just had to run and get that because I think it goes with the look, honey. We giving like Hermes, like luxury pieces. This piece was such a good steal for me on the Preloved market. I have a video about this Hermes watch if you're interested. It's so beautiful with the H's going around. I have a pink face. It's so beautiful. But on to what we were talking about. This is the Kelly Wallet, and I've been seeing so many reviews on this piece in the recent like months or so, and the fact that people are styling it so many different ways. You know, you can use it as a wallet, and I'm gonna show you other ways too, and that is what made me really get this piece. It was pricey for a wallet, but for a bag I can kind of justify it. Yep, a bag, guys. It fits so much stuff in it. I'm gonna show you guys what fits in it.
I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet
It's lightweight, the leather, so beautiful, and I love the fact that it had the gold hardware, which for me, I've been doing a lot of silvers, like, you know, I just kind of keep like my, you know, silver tone, very everyday wear. All these pieces of my watch I keep on like all the time. I shower in, and my Cartier bracelet that I love, I wear that every day, and I just get like the silk changed out here and there when it gets worn. But I needed some gold, like, you know, hardware. Like, I need to get like maybe some gold pieces, because I realized I have a lot of black bags and bags with silver hardware, but I didn't really have any neutrals with the gold, and I just thought this would be so beautiful for summertime and even going into fall winter. This is like a year-round piece, and the taupe color is just so beautiful, guys. The same lock as the Kelly bag, and there is a exact name for that. This turn, which I apologize, guys, I'm not up to date on all the Hermes, you know, talk, you know, I'm just now getting to like the Hermes world, as far as like their bags and things like that. And the fact that you're able to wear it as a bag and so much fits in it, your phone fits in, you could do like a little lip gloss. It has so many card slots, guys. But you know, all these brands are increasing their prices. They're trying to get on the level of the Hermes. All this talk since the pandemic, Hermes, the Birkin, the Kelly, everyone's getting into it. Everyone's leveling up and really, investing in these bags, and it's getting like, stocks. Really great investment. The resale value, if that's something that you're into, is there for these pieces. With the price increase for Louis Vuitton, the price increase for Chanel, them discontinuing a lot of like their pieces and really going toward leather. Hermes, I think, is a brand that is just always setting the tone. I did it with a look I'll show you guys here with white, with my white Orion sandals, and I had like a little tan hat to just bring the look in. There was a date night with my husband, but I've worn it a few times. The leather, the Epsom leather doesn't scratch. It just feels so good. I don't have to baby it. That's one thing, guys, if you watch any of my videos, if you're not new to my channel, you'll realize that I have 2 children and I can't baby a piece. I can't baby my bags. I have 2 babies. I can't sit up here and just be caring about my bag like, oh no, oh yeah. No, I just want to wear it and just look good and just get all the use that I can out of it, especially with the price tag. This bag, well, this wallet, because it's an actual wallet, that's what they created it for, was like 200. What am I talking about? I wish it was $200. I don't think this thing was ever, not even the 80s, $200. It was $2,000. Not to brag or anything like that, guys. I'm just sharing this piece with you. I'm sharing a piece that, it's still under it's still within that price range where I say I would spend. And I think it's really great. It's a great bag and you can get a lot of use of it. And it's a good entry piece for Hermes if you are interested in any of their bags and still get that look of the Kelly, which is their classic bag that they're known for. You get that same design and look, but in a smaller, more easier type of look. Just throw it on, super cute with jeans, with a dress. You can wear it year round, and I just love it. I added on a chain that I got from Amazon, and it's been doing really good. I only wear it with a chain pretty much. I got this chain from Amazon, but I mainly, for me, what I do is I just lift up the flap here and I just loop it through. I haven't seen any wear from the chain because when I purchased this chain, guys, I made sure that it didn't have like any sharp like corners to the chain. It's rounded on like the look of the chain, which I'll show you guys close up, so it won't damage the edges of the bag. And I don't hang the bag like on with the chain when I'm not using it. I just stuff the chain inside, but I haven't seen any wear on it as far as like, just wearing on the glazing on the side. So yeah, I just like basically like just let it kind of sit on the flap here, and then I close it. You can leave it open like this, or if you don't want to like continue to all the time like go to hook up each little strap, you can turn it, and so it is closed, so your stuff won't come out or the bag won't open. And you can maybe hook up one, how the girls wear like the Kelly bag and stuff, or you can leave both of them down. Comment below, guys, if you have seen the Kelly wallet, if this is something you were interested in. How do you guys love the color? So I just think it's so pretty, and I'll show you guys how I style it. But all right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you have any questions, let's chat about it in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, have a great day.